Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the often overlooked aspect of laptop usage. Speaker quality, specifically for meetings. We all know how crucial clear communication is, especially in a professional setting. Let's explore why your laptop's built-in speakers matter, and how to assess their performance. First off, why does speaker quality even matter? Think about those crucial online meetings, the virtual presentations, or even casual video calls with colleagues. Fuzzy audio, echoing voices, or low volume can lead to miscommunication, misunderstandings, and a generally frustrating experience. High-quality speakers ensure your voice is heard clearly, and you can understand others without straining. Now, let's talk about the factors that influence laptop speaker quality. The size and design of the speakers are key. Smaller speakers often struggle to produce a full sound, lacking bass frequencies. The placement of the speakers also plays a role. Are they positioned on the bottom, firing downwards, or on the sides, aiming towards the user? Side-firing speakers typically offer a better audio experience. The audio drivers and the digital signal processing (DSP) software built into your laptop are also crucial. They can significantly enhance the sound, reducing background noise and improving clarity. How do you actually assess your laptop's speaker quality? Start with a simple test. Play some music or a podcast. Listen for the clarity of the vocals. Are the words crisp and easy to understand? Check the bass response. Can you hear the low-frequency sounds? Test the maximum volume. Does the sound distort at higher volumes? Try a video call. Ask the other participants if they can hear you clearly, and if there's any background noise. Here are some common problems you might encounter. One is the lack of bass. Many laptop speakers struggle to reproduce the lower frequencies. Another is a tinny or hollow sound, which often happens with cheaper speakers. Distorted audio at high volumes is also a common issue. You might also experience background noise, like static or hissing, which can be particularly distracting during meetings. Weak or low volume is another problem. It can be difficult to hear the other participants clearly, especially in noisy environments. To improve your meeting experience, consider some solutions. If your laptop speakers are inadequate, use external speakers or a headset. External speakers provide a significant upgrade in sound quality. A good headset with a built noise-canceling microphone can dramatically reduce background noise. Adjust your speaker settings within your operating system. Make sure that volume levels are adequate, and consider using the built-in audio enhancements. Finally, ensure your microphone is positioned correctly and not blocked by anything. In conclusion, laptop speaker quality plays a critical role in effective online meetings. By understanding the factors that affect speaker quality and knowing how to assess it, you can ensure clear communication and a more productive experience. Don't underestimate the importance of good audio. It makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about laptop speaker quality for meetings. Built-in laptop speakers can be hit or miss. Clear audio is crucial for effective communication. Poor audio leads to misunderstandings and wasted time. High-quality speakers ensure every word is clear, reducing miscommunication, especially in meetings with complex information. What should you look for? Frequency response is key. You want speakers handling a wide range of frequencies for natural sound. Noise cancellation is another critical feature, filtering out background distractions. This ensures your voice is the only thing heard. Volume and clarity also play a crucial role. Make sure the speakers can be heard in a room, but clarity is paramount. The audio must be clear and distortion-free. Even at higher volumes, placement matters. Side or above keyboard speaker positions are ideal. The speaker type influences quality. Some laptops use small, integrated speakers, while some have better speakers or external ones. Remember that external speakers always offer a better experience. Consider the microphone quality, too. A good speaker is useless if the integrated microphone is poor. Ensure the microphone captures your voice clearly. Many laptops have array microphones, ideal for multiple attendees. Software and settings enhance audio. Many laptops have audio enhancement software or settings that improve sound quality, including equalizers and noise reduction. Test your speakers before important meetings. Do a test call with a colleague to ensure your audio is clear. Adjust volume and microphone settings. In short, laptop speaker quality is vital. Pay close attention to the speaker specifications. Prioritize good frequency response, noise cancellation, and clarity. Don't hesitate to read reviews and test the audio quality. With the right laptop, your voice will be heard loud and clear, and meetings will be successful. Thanks for watching.